Poor Cinnamon. Even over there, when I put the food in the blue thingy over there, she could not eat. Everyone was pushing her. Even the babies were pushing her. Smo still don't want to come in?
He's right here.
Oh.
Dad pushed him in.
Big baby.
I want to pick some of this up. I tried to get most of it, but there's a lot of stuff down there. Yeah, you're right. I'm gonna leave it. Look at that, all that free stuff, free hay. Let me have some.
It's a lot more than when you would get the bales, I feel like.
Oh yeah, absolutely. What I like is, I knew they were going to do this. It was a matter of time.
And it's more compacted in there, so I feel like it'll stay better too.
Yeah, not all chopped up.
Oh, the board broke?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
You see, now they can all eat from all sides.
Yeah. Well, that's good. I'm glad they have some green in here to eat.
Look how Smo has his hand all himself. See? Next time you want more green, grab the thing and go mash it up and we'll bring it up here. It didn't take long. It's just, it was kind of hot. But look at them now. Babies. See, if they were trained, I could just take them down to the bottom, have them eat.
Yeah. Well, they're still babies. They have hope.
Yeah.
Smoe will be the example one to lead them all. No. He'd actually teach them to just ignore what we say. They'll respond, but they'll respond something mean. You know, like whenever we tell Smo to come and he says something back, I feel like he's saying, no, I don't want to.
Yeah, he's just asking back.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, look at him. I see his little beard.